And now Romance and Violetta will show us Cha Cha Choreography with teaching count. 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 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 4 and 1. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 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 4 and 1. And now let's look at same Cha Cha choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with Chasse to right and dance Cuban break. Notice syncopated timing. We continue with open basic and change to right hand hold and start Sweetheart. This movement is somehow similar to Turkish towel. Here we use forward run and also backward run. These runs we can replace with lock steps. And we finish Sweetheart in fan position. From here we dance hockey stick. We dance version with Chasse ending. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. So we start with preparation Chasse to right. Continue with Cuban break in syncopated timing. Then open basic, we change right to right hand hold and start Sweetheart, which consists of 6 bars. Here we see changes from right to left and left to right. Then we use forward run and backward run. We can change runs to lock steps if we wish so. We finish Sweetheart in fan position and dance hockey stick. Hockey stick version with Chasse ending. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.